Are you someone who is new to the game of manifestation? Do you feel that, when you heard about this concept, universal laws, law of assumption, law of embodiment, all of it, you are like, how is it even possible to actually, whatever you think, you can actually bring it to your reality? If you don't believe in it, and if you are someone who wants to know the logic behind everything, and you just don't want to believe in magic anymore, then this video is absolutely for you. Hi, my name is Gargi Arya, and I welcome you onto this journey of helping you design, live, and lead a life that you can be proud of. Because you know what, you should know this one thing, that your life is in only your control, and if you feel that somebody has to change, nobody has to change, only you has to change. And this is what I'm going to be talking to you about. So welcome onto this journey, and I'm super happy to have you here. If you are already have been watching my videos, great. If you have landed up here out of maybe my Instagram page or any other place, then I'm so happy to have you here, because it fills my heart every single day to impact people like you and to help them aware about where their life is going and how to take charge of it. So the first thing that I want to talk to you about in this video is specifically about what is manifestation. Being into this journey of manifestation, like being a manifestation coach for around last 4 years, has made me realize that every single year when I make my vision board, and every single year when I end that year, most of my things that I've had for that year has already come true. And how is it? It's not only believing, it's also putting in the efforts yourself. So first thing that I want you to know about manifestation is when you have something in your mind and you want to achieve it in your life, no matter what, without any resistance, whatever comes up, you are going to achieve it. You set that intention that universe, this is what I want to achieve it, and this is what I want, and I'm not going to settle for anything less than that. And you carry that intention every single day in your heart, and you know that with your efforts and with universe alignment, with your energy, it is all going to happen. The first myth that I want to break about manifestation here is the rule of law of attraction says that you need to believe, you need to think, you need to believe, and it will be given to you. But it's not only about believing to it, it's also about acting to it. Because whatever life I had imagined once, today I am actually living that. And similar to you, whatever life you might have imagined in your like maybe 1 year back or 2 years back, you're actually living that. And if you're not living, just know any one of the prayers has come true, and you are living that. So be grateful first of all, and if you feel that I want to have more, it's totally your choice. So the first thing I told you, manifestation is all about setting that intention and carrying it in your heart every single day. I don't really understand how people say that I don't have the energy to carry, I don't have time, I don't have this, I don't have resources, or all of the things that you're saying to yourself. Just know, if you have a strong intention that you have put out in the universe, and if you are consistently acting upon it, then you know that it is going to come true. So that's the first thing I want to tell you about manifestation. The next thing, to the people, if you are someone who always wants to find out logic behind everything, and if you don't just believe in things, like if you don't believe in magic, and your brain just starts to work like act or questions like these, that why should I believe in this, then here's why. So the science, if you remember in school we studied about atoms and everything. So everything is made up of atoms, right? And when scientists actually discovered in it, like the atoms part, scientists were able to identify that 99.999, take it to the infinite number, it's all it's all energy, and 0.000, just take it to the infinite number, and 1% is all your like the matter part. So it was discovered that who are we? We are also energy. What do you see around you is also energy, and only 0.0001% is all that matter. So that means anything that you want to attract in this life, you need to be clear on your energy. You need to know that whether I'm actually focusing on my energy level, because can I tell you, manifestation is something which like for me, I have been practicing it for a long time now, and the thing that I know about manifestation, it's all about your energy. Most people, like I have seen, they have big dreams, but in their current life they are living at a low energy, and they feel subconsciously that what, I don't believe this, I don't want to have this, or I don't know whether I can have it. So a lot of people are just pushing themselves to consciously think about I can have it, I can do this, but subconsciously तुमको पता है कि तुम नहीं कर सकते, क्योंकि तुम्हारा माइंड उसी वे में तुमसे बात करता है. Would you agree? That means manifestation is not only about consciously taking steps towards something that you desire in your life and you want to bring in your reality. It's also about subconscious reprogramming of the same. If you don't know about it, then you cannot just force yourself to feel something and you will attract it in your life. It has to align with your thoughts, with your actions, and with the words and with the language, with the self-talk that you're doing. Yes, so I hope I'm able to explain you in a few like in a better way maybe. And the next thing, the third thing that I want to talk to you about is, if you are a beginner in this field, how to practice manifestation. The first thing when it comes to manifestation is, be clear on your goal. If you are not clear on what it is you want, you will get anything, and then you are going to feel like, why am I getting anything? Because you have not decided that. So the first thing, just maybe pause this video, and whenever you have time in solitude today, because I'm not someone who likes to post things to just tomorrow kar lenge, because that tomorrow will never come in your life if you don't act upon it today, right? So the first thing I want you to write down is, what is your goal? What kind of life do you want to achieve? In your health, in your happiness, in your travel, in your spirituality, in your career, in your financial life, in your relationships, in your friendships, what is the life that you want to live? What are the goals? If I had to tell you 5 years from now, where are you imagining yourself in all of these areas, and just write down. To be clear, I am someone who does it from a 1 year point of view, so I never do 5 years. I like to do it from 1 year so that I can be more realistic, because realistic is also very important when you are following this game, but also believing in magic. If you want to have a goal of maybe 1 lakh per month, then maybe just write down 2 lakh per month and be in that energy, and you never know when you are going to attract it. Yes. Next thing, the next rule of manifestation as a beginner in this field is, have a vision board. Every single day, if I had to show you my vision board, I'll just bring it. So basically, you need to have a vision board with you, so that you're able to actually visualize and see yourself every single day. I have 2 vision boards for 2024, and both of them are on this side with me, so maybe I'll just show you in a couple of minutes. So vision board is like whatever you want for the year, you're actually seeing yourself. And one of the best ways I like to create my vision board with is, if let's say I want to travel at a certain place, then I am not going to only pick that picture up from Google and paste it there. I am going to put my picture, and today we all know these editing skills. You can actually put your picture on that place, and you can just visualize that, just take a print out of it, keep it in front of you, and you never know that this year when you are going to go to that place. Yes. So it's all about embodying and feeling that you have already achieved that life, and keep that vision board somewhere where you can see it every single day, because that will inspire you to an extent where you are like, oh my god, this is my reality. Is this really my reality? All of these things will start to happen with you. The third rule of manifestation that you need to understand is, of course, focusing on your energy. I have been following especially the embodiment practice since this year, since the starting of this year. So like you can say not actually the starting, but after mid-February, because I had an experience where I was going through something, and then I felt like, okay, I need to be the person who is that Gargi 5 years from ahead or 1 year from ahead. What kind of life do I want to live? And then I just looked at my vision board. I got that energy, and every single morning I'm living in that energy, starting my day with that energy, because your energy matters whether you believe it or not. The fourth thing, last for the day, because I don't want you to complicate the stuff. Keep the stuff simple and then keep on going with rest of the things. Start with one exercise. If you are going to think that I can start with every practice, you are wrong. Yes, so the first thing that the fourth thing that when it comes to practicing actually the skill of manifestation is, every single morning wake up 30 minutes before the usual time you are waking up, or wake up 30 minutes before everybody in your home is waking up, because I believe when you work in peace with yourself, you can realize that there is a bigger and a better person inside each one of us. And when we can realize it, when we can find that bigger and better person, your life will change forever. Because can I tell you, the biggest project that you can work on in your life is not a school project, is not the college, is not the university, is not any of the project other than you. Just work on yourself, because if you don't, then who will? Yes, so that's the only question I want you to ask. And every single day in the morning when you're waking up, just read for a couple of minutes. Who told you to read for one hour or 1.5 hours? Start with 5 minutes per day. You can see all the like my books which I have been reading since a long time. So just read all of it. Have the habit of reading. The next thing is, every single day just be grateful. Find peace in few moments of the first day, because if you're not the way you start your day is how you're going to lead that day. If I'm starting my day with phone, if I'm starting my day with social media, my day will go in a way where I at least feel lazy, where I at least feel unproductive, where I don't feel organized. But when I'm starting my day with like cycling, with reading, with writing gratitude, with my mentors courses, with whatever I want to do, and I just visualize it, I look at my vision board and I know my priorities, then what what day you can lead in your further life, that's completely unbelievable. So remember, your life doesn't change in one moment. Your life changes with daily habits that you're following. So I hope this video is going to help you to kind of understand what is manifestation and how to be a like, even if you're a beginner in this field, how to actually start practicing it. And if you have any doubts regarding manifestation, please let me know in the comments below. I would love to help you. And if you want me to create videos on any particular topic under coaching and training or under personal development, please comment that also. I would love to help you. So thank you so much for being here. Do share your thoughts in the comments below, and do subscribe to my channel if you feel resonated with it, and if you would like to receive more videos like this. So thank you so much. Bye.